Okay, you guys, so the Christmas party evening has now officially begun. Dinner at the Grand Floridian Cafe. We're here. I gotta show you what I'm looking at. I am like so happy right now. Just a second.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
Oh, listen to the music. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yeah, they are. Oh, Sarah. And you know, they didn't have the gingerbread house last year because of COVID. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh, and he's playing. You guys. You guys, this tree. I am dying. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Okay, we're dying because you can just walk right up to it.
I know,
I don't think you're supposed to do that. You can though. Like I don't know if it's because we haven't done this in a minute, but I'm like seriously getting emotional about this. It's huge. Okay, look, I'm gonna walk over here so you guys can see. I mean, it's just, okay, don't get dizzy. Don't get dizzy. There's the piano guy. And then behind me, okay, I'm going slow. Look, you've got the trees back here from when you first walk in. And now let's go look at the gingerbread house.
Oh, and it has the 12 days of Christmas.
Oh, yeah. It's got the 9 ladies dancing, 11 pipers piping, 5 golden rings. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Oh, look at the gingerbread house. I cannot. That's insane. Yeah, the work that goes into this thing. They have a special on Disney Plus where they talk about this. It's old. It's from a few years back, but how like the bakers actually make it all.
I've seen that.
Yeah. And I love the blue this year. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. I don't know why. I mean, I've seen this lobby at Christmas a bunch. But something about this year, again, because they didn't do it much last year, it was very toned down. The gingerbread house wasn't here. And it's just like
Feels
all
like normal.
Yes.
The piano player was there.
Yeah. I mean, and when we walked in, the piano player was finishing up a Charlie Brown Christmas song.
Yeah.
It's just the best. Okay, bye. Okay, Liam, did you get lost on the way here? Did you get lost? Did you have trouble parking? Did it take forever?
I took a left and I got here, so I nailed it.
You know,
Merry
as they say, if you stick the landing, who cares?
That's true.
And you're here, and there's food, so there you go. Yes, of course I am. Okay, so Sarah swore about Tiki Room, family friendly, but what I'm telling my new family, this ragtaggle group of our troop, we're a troop. They have to pick 3 rides that they want to do at the party. Okay, so Bob is gonna take our order, and then we're
Under his mask.
okay. We have now placed our order, so everyone in the family has to come up. Oh, my makeup looks good. I put more on than I thought. Okay. So It's okay, Liam. It's gonna be okay.
It's crying, hyperventilating in the middle of
Your
Grand
makeup
Flow.
does look good though.
Same. So everyone has to give 3 rides they want to go
Different
on.
rides?
Great.
Yeah. No,
Do you want to do it in like
Are we gonna
rounds?
get on 9 rides?
we are.
Okay.
And they could overlap. So okay. Write your choices down and put them in a sealed envelope.
I mean, 3 lucky people will walk away with a car.
Okay, all right. My family is giving me issues tonight, so I will name. I will go with my 3 rides first.
Okay.
I want to ride Jingle Cruise. I want to ride Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Wow.
And I want to ride Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay.
So I want to do Haunted Mansion.
Yes.
You took 2 of mine.
draft.
I know. It's serious. Serious
Who's not gonna make it?
I think Splash Mountain.
Ooh,
Unless it's too
bold
cold.
choice. Bold choice.
Audience reaction.
Oh. I'll put on the rain jacket.
Wait, go back. Audience reaction.
You mean Princess and the Frog?
Yes, the Tiana ride. Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
And
And
then, oh gosh.
No one has said the obvious answer.
Well, I'm gonna leave that one for you.
Oh, thank you. It's very polite.
People mover.
people.
Oh,
Okay.
My number 1, Osborne Lights. Number 1, Space Mountain. I feel like
Yeah,
we
we have to do space.
Space. I did the new Philhar yesterday, so I don't need to do it today, but it's super cute.
Okay. I saw it at Disneyland,
Cool.
but it's not as good there because the screen isn't as big at Disneyland.
Ruining the magic.
I know. Sorry. Sorry.
What's my number 2? I want to see a character.
Okay. A character. Yeah.
Weird. I hope so.
Some.
Some will choose to wear. And then what's
Yep.
my 3rd?
Well, ever since they relaxed the cast member dress policy, they can choose to.
Mike Wazowski shows up with 1 eye, which is weird.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
And I don't really want to do Mine Train, but if that's
Yeah.
under 20 minutes, I'm not waiting long.
You know what I have to say to that? Hi ho. Okay, we added hot chocolate to the list. Mickey bar. I'll do Mickey ice cream sandwich because I'm.
Oh, do we get unlimited of that?
Yes.
I've never actually done this.
What?
I've done Halloween, but
Okay, so that and hot chocolate and a cookie. You gotta get a cookie.
all different kinds.
And everyone, I don't know why I said the and that way. Did you hear that? And every ride has to be 20 minutes or less wait time, or we're a no-go.
That's why Mine Train might not be.
Oh, and I have to do the parade, and we have to do the fireworks.
There's like a
Yeah, and the show. Hey, Liam.
Oh.
Hey, Liam. Hey,
That's
Liam.
really hot.
By the way, the plate is quite hot.
By the way, it's scorching.
But it looks really yummy.
It is a fried chicken.
Yeah.
Sizzled
Sizzle-
on a mashed potato.
Thank you, Liam. And Sarah and I both got the miso glazed salmon, which looks
Also
quite tasty, right?
No, I haven't tried it yet.
I mean, it looks good. So
Vomit.
I will let you know when I get some silverware. Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, what did we think of dinner?
Delicious.
Yeah?
Needs more roller skates. I'm like, needs more roller skates.
Yeah. The service was a little on the slow side. It was a leisurely meal.
Yeah, but it was delicious.
And our-
Very European.
It was very European. There you go. There. Oh, okay, we won't go there. But
I love Disneyland Paris.
all of our Legally Blonde friends just died from laughter. Okay, if you get the joke, great. If you don't, we still love you. Okay, so now where are we going?
Magic Kingdom.
Okay, people are like trying to get by me, so I'm gonna go like this. We're here, you guys. We're at the party. All the things are happening. And Liam's here and Sarah's here. We're
First
so
park day, Magic Kingdom might shut down because Jen and I are in the same park.
It's true. It's too much fabulous. Okay, nobody fall. Nobody slip and fall. There's gonna be rain. It's gonna be wet. Everyone just get okay with it, right? Like, hello. What's happening?
So we're like in this like passing people out, people in.
Yeah, I'm filming. You guys make sure I don't run into anything.
officially raining.
Yeah, it's all right.
Hello, we're live on site. It is very stormy,
And there's the monorail.
very wet.
I am like, okay, I gotta put this phone away. This is too much. This is too much joy. This is too much joy. Continue around the
See a handsome
planter.
guy and you're like, okay.
I know. I love this. Yeah. Okay, so day crowds are leaving. We are coming in. It was a bit of a bottleneck, I'm not gonna lie, a bit of a lot of people, but it's okay because soon it's all, oh wait. Well,
Welcome
hey.
to Magic Kingdom.
Well, hey, Liam, what's that you got there?
This is called After Hours, very Merriest After Hours, where we're experiencing the park from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m.
To 1 a.m. Do you know what I call this party,
What?
Liam? Mickey's most expensive Christmas party.
It is more money. Yeah, it is more money.
Okay.
I look like your nightmare. I look like a nightmare.
No, it'll show up brighter when I
In
look
post?
at it. Yeah. So Sarah, this Liam, and we're come here. We're all gonna do Space Mountain. All right, we're in. And it said 30 minutes, but instead it was
A walk on.
10 to 15.
yeah. I'm gonna go
But
with
mind you, it's 8:30 and we're like crossing from park close into Christmas.
Right.
So I think they wanted to post 30 so people wouldn't come up.
Yeah. So there you go.
Which I'd rather that.
Me too. Woo!
It's so funny. It's pretty busy. I'm not gonna lie.
It's packed. Okay, Liam, what time is it?
8:45.
So we've done one attraction, 8:45, and check.
It's solid work.
It was. We did good. A good time was.
I drove the
Yeah,
spaceship.
yeah. Liam was first.
I did not keep the hands on the wheel.
Nope.
I was very freewheeling.
And he had a margarita before we got here, so no.
Where is the Cirque meet and greet?
I know. I agree.
Carousel of progress.
Yay! Okay. We're very excited because now we're going on People Mover. So far, how long did we wait for Buzz? 10? 10. About 10? 15 for Space, 10 for Buzz. Club Tinsel, Stitch is over there. You guys, Stitch is in Santa stuff. Oh my God, we gotta go do that too. There's too much to do. There's too much fun. We're having too much fun.
Stitch is doing the cha-cha slide.
I get it!
Excited.
In their Christmas gear. Hey y'all! Oh, they look so cute!
Come on, Tweedle.
I love it! So far, like the popcorn and stuff is long, but the treat stations are not.
It's like a lot of, it's truly like special event style that like.
Oh my gosh! What do
want
we
me to
have?
grab you one or do
Yeah. Would you grab me one? Thank you so much! Yay! Thank you. Okay, I'm following my cookies and hot chocolate.
They're very nice.
Yes, they are. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello, we're gonna play Banger.
Hello there, friends. Captain Hook is in the building.
He is. Okay, hold on. I show you. Hold on. Oh
He's wearing a
yeah.
scarf.
He's got a
I found Taylor Swift's scarf. Captain Hook has it.
You look very dapper.
Don't lose your other hand
Here, I'm gonna get my picture. I like him. I'm gonna get my picture.
This bow is lit up.
I know.
Where you can see somebody waits for you. Kiss her once for me.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, Liam's so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, okay. It's a sing along, Liam. Okay, you ready? Can you handle this? Here we go. Yeah.
I deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Fa la 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 la.
Tis the
Are you ready?
season
You ready? Here we
to
go.
be jolly.
Fa la 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 la.
Thank you.
Do-si-do.
I don't
Come on, Sarah. Do-si-do.
All right, now we have missed you a lot. It's been a while since we've all been able to get together here and celebrate
It's
the holidays.
true.
So we made a
It's
whole
true.
verse just for you.
Oh.
We're glad you're back at Disney World.
Fa la 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 la.
One of our most favorite places.
La 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 la.
Great to see your smiling faces.
La 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 la.
He wears a big red suit.
Hey.
His beard is white. It's quite a sight. Walks around in big black boots.
We're gonna do Dumbo the Flying Elephant. And there's like nobody over here. So that's kind of fun. And then after this, it's almost time for fireworks. So we are just doing all the things. Sarah, how you doing there, girl, with your popcorn and your...
On the popcorn.
Oh my God, he's got his Mickey bar and his popcorn. We're having so much fun. It is like the most beautiful night. Yay! I know, they're so amazing. Hey! Thanks, you guys. Perfect. Perfect. All right, follow me. I know exactly where we're going. Thank you. Oh my God, look at that. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Okay.
We have never looked better.
Just thinking about
We're
So you can take your head. You can take your mask off now.
well, it's very
I think I
dry.
look better
in
with my
Florida.
mask on.
So the one thing that everyone is going to ask me is the Christmas party worth it?
If it doesn't rain.
This would have been a value at 3 times the price. No, we really are still having fun though. But sadly, I have a very strong feeling that the parade is not happening.
They are going to wait till the very last second to cancel it, but they will try to make it work. But I don't see this rain. And
No, and you for sure can't do the wooden soldiers because
Can
they
do
will
the-
slip.
Can they do it without the soldiers?
Yeah, and they have. I mean,
Okay.
I have seen it
I
done.
wonder, I'll be interested to see if they have like a condensed, like a rainy day parade.
Yeah.
Right, right.
They should. That's a great idea.
Right. But in the meantime, we are going to go do
Haunted
Mansion. And I was. And I'm going to fulfill my role as an Oompa Loompa. So I'm excited.
Yes! That's what I couldn't think of what you
I'm
look
Willy
like.
Wonka. Sarah's Charlie.
Doompa-dee,
Let's
doo.
go. Oh, there she comes.
I mean, like, cute.
Okay.
Right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Take your moment. Take the full and slow pan.
Okay, parade is actually happening, and we are like committed.
It's true.
We have been waiting, and we are good with whatever. It's going to be abbreviated. We don't know what that means.
It's a cavalcade
It's a cavalcade,
associated to like a rainy day parade in the middle of the day.
but we're going to be happy with whatever we get.
Happy with whatever.
Yeah.
It makes me happy when they were rich.
Hi, Mickey. Happy birthday. I know, right? And all the reindeer! Oh, yes! Oh my gosh, amazing! Look at everybody! Everybody's here!
Frosty the snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could have what to say.
Okay, so great party. It was a little rainy,
I don't know what you're talking about.
but it really, I mean, I still got to see the parade was short, and it wasn't the full parade. It was just like a little cavalcade, but we had soldiers,
Yeah.
right?
Jen lost her mind.
A
We're
little
like
bit.
cute, and she's like, ah.
And then also we had the reindeer and the little Mickey Mouse show, which not everybody gets to see that, right? So
Good 4-minute.
I know, and we rode basically everything.
Except Jingle Cruise, which we could have rode if we wanted.
We made a
We
choice.
could do it right now, but
Yeah, we're gonna go home. Everyone is gonna ask me if it's worth it. It's a lot of money, so I have no idea. Like, you got to decide. Was it fun? Totally. We missed out on the two biggest pieces, which were the fireworks were good, but we didn't even get like the full fireworks show because of the rain and the smoke and like all of that. So, I mean, I still had fun though.
I
So
mean, it's like, if you're good with good people, it doesn't really matter.
if you're good with good people, it doesn't really matter. So you know all the things. Subscribe if you're not. Like the video. We love you. It's 1 a.m., so we're going to go home.
And leave your family at home.
Leave
Goodbye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.